ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दोगांयकूय बाराबर पळोवन बरें दिसलें आनी आयज तुमच्या एक पंचायत येयला दोनची कितें एक्झॅक्टली ती उस्कय पंचायत
Uskay Panchayat has been formed, so they wanted a courtesy call with Honorable Chief Minister and Bharatiya Janata Party Adhyaksha Damu Naik. So after the Sarpanch has been appointed, elected today, they've had a courtesy call for their works. So along with them, Glenn and myself were there to pay our visit to Mr. Damu Naik, our party president and Honorable Chief Minister. So they get equal support for all developmental works which they feel they need to do in terms of the Ukasai Panchayat.
बट हाव कम रोहन इन आल्दोना
भारतीय जनता पार्टी खंय आसा थंय आमकां पार्टीचें काम करचेंच पडटा. So we are doing our work as far as party is concerned. Glenn has been doing his part over there and we have been ensuring that party work is done in the right manner.
But development work was not going on in that
See, I'm not going back. We are going prospectively. So whatever has been there and whatever they feel should be done, I think the Chief Minister has assured them की कितें आसा ती कामां आपण तुका करून दिता म्हणून आनी ताज्या खातीर जी कामां तांची लोकांची जी आसा शेवटी उस्कय पालयेच्या लोकांची कामां सारकी जावपाक जाय आनी ताज्या खातीर ग्लॅनूय वावुरता पंचायत वावुरता जाल्यार वी नीड टू एन्श्युअर दॅट द वर्क्स ऑफ द पीपल एंड द डेवलपमेंट इज डन for which we had a courtesy call to the Chief Minister.
ML has been failed to do the development.
Let us not get into who has failed and who has not gone. We work positively. So I think what if they have some expectations of works to be done, we will the government will ensure for that the works are done for the panchayat.
पण परवरी सान रोहन आपणाची पां आल्दोना वता
परवरीच्या आल्दोनाय समज बाल्टीन सांगले वतले आनी खंयी सांगले जाल्यार वतले जंय सांगता थंय आमी पार्टीचें काम करपाक वतले. पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते आसा फाल्यां ग्लॅनाकूय खंय वचचें पडटलें ग्लॅनाकूय काम करचें पडटलें. इट इज नॉट डेट परवरीच्या मतदारसंघाचो आमदार हांव पूण काम करता आसतना पार्टीचे खंय सांगलें फाटीं संकल्प पत्र यात्रा आसतना गोंयभर जी काम आशिल्लें भारतीय जनता पार्टीचें म्हज्या हातान सोंपयल्लें. सो वी वेंट थ्रू आउट ऑल 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज. सो 40 मतदारसंघान वचून काम करून आयले आमी तेन्ना. तशेंच आतां आल्दोना मतदारसंघान जशें पार्टीक आनी बाकीची जी कामां करपाक जाय ताचे खातीर आमी वावुरतले.
सो आयज दोगूय मित्र तुमी तर आतां
आमी आतांचे खंयचे
ना ना पयलींच्या पयताल्यान आतां पयताल्यान पयलींच्यान मित्र तुमी दोगूय. ग्लेन बाबे कितें आतां एक्झॅक्टली हाव डू यू सी दीस की रोहन तुमकां सपोर्ट करता आल्दोनच्यान
Purvachi Aldona करता है, Aldona Purvachi करता है. Rohan has always been a friend. Yeah, we once before elimination Dalak, and Rohan has been a friend. He's a minister of the party, and we are working in the interest of the party. Simple as that.
So you are happy that you got a strong support of Rohan.
Of course, always been happy.
But we have to be
We have to be together, no? We are working for the party, so we have to.
ना पहिले हाय इतले मोगान दिसना आसलें.
ना कोण सांगता?
मोग म्हणटा तो तूं आनी तुजी आसा पळय ती मोग दिश्टी पडटा. मोग तो कळपा जाय लोकांक.
ओके दुसरी बाबा
कळ्ळें केंद्रीय
आणि आज मीटिंग झाली काप्रेश्वर देवस्थानाची
कितें